All right, this video is going to walk you through the process of installing Fusion 360 on a Windows-based computer. Don't have a Mac at my available to me, so I can't demonstrate on a Mac. All right, so I've got Google Chrome open, and that's the browser that I'd recommend. Let's go. Notice I'm not typing this in the search bar. I'm typing in the URL bar up here. We've talked about that in class. So I'm going to go to autodesk.com/education, excuse me, and enter. And here I am at the Autodesk page. You'll recognize this page as this is where we went to create our accounts to begin with at the beginning of the semester. It looks like I'm signed in, so I'm going to sign out. And now let's go through the sign-in process. Only you know your password. I did not keep your password for you. So your email should be your email, your ID at trinity.rocks. My email address is different than yours. Teachers are at trinityrocks.com. Next, my password. And I can click on Stay Signed In for 30 days. If you forgot your password, you'll need to click on the link. It'll generate an email to your email address that we used in creating the account. I think all but one of you were able to use your Trinity High School email account. I'm going to sign in. Now I have an authentication process on. It's going to ask me to authenticate, I bet. Yeah, so I have to go pull that up, put in the code that's on the app, sign in, and now I'm signed in. How do I know I'm signed in? If I look at the upper right-hand corner, there's my little image that I uploaded with my profile. Most of you have not done that. It's going to be your initials up here. So I'm signed in. Now, how do I access the software? Next question. Well, let's click on our icon up here in the upper right. And there, yeah, that's me. I'm signed in. And now under account, I want to go to products and services. Click. Screen comes up eventually. And here are the products. Have access to Fusion. And look there, it says download. I'm going to click on download. Now, my process will probably be a little different than yours. Mine brought up, I have Chrome set up to ask me where do I want to download a file before it stores it on my drive. Yours will probably go straight to downloads. Okay, I've already got it downloaded from earlier today when I was writing the instructions. So you would hit save. I hit cancel because I've already got it. And what you're going to see now is it would flash up here, and there's your downloads folder. If you don't have the icon for downloads, see where my mouse is in the upper right here. You can go to the three dots, downloads, and there is my Fusion client downloader. Now, I only want to run it once. Don't double click. It's a single click. Okay. Click on it and it's going to start the installer. All right. Click and the installer will start. I'm not going to reinstall. Follow the directions that come up as you install it. Okay, that's all you've got to do, and you will be able to install the software. And as we have our snow days throughout this winter, and you get your online learning assignments that are going to be project based, just like we would do in class, except instead of me standing in front of you and talking, I'll give you a video to work from. It may be a project that you go do on your own, and there won't be a video, but either way, you're responsible for having the software available to you and running or completing the project. All right, that's all for this video.